Hello everyone, let's learn some colors. Red color, brown color, blue color, orange color, yellow color, green color and black color. A for aeroplane. B for book. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for octopus. P for piano. Q for queen. R for rose. S for snake. T for tiger. U for uniform. V for van. W for water. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Learn some shape. Star, square, triangle, circle, heart shape, hexagon, star, square, triangle, circle, heart shape, hexagon,